Hayaang buksan ang isipan
Sa science o agham, tayo na sa siniskwela. Tuklasin natin ang sinensya, kinabukasan ng ating bayan, siguradong makakamtan.
Everyone is different. Education is strongest when it embraces diversity. Learners should not have to adapt to the system. Instead, education system should adapt to their needs. But how can we make inclusive education turns into reality?
Hi, my name is Dianshel Duran, a B.Ed student. In this video, I am going to share to you my goals and ways to make your schools inclusive. Keep on watching!
Creating an inclusive environment will not only help those students with learning differences, it will also support those students that don't have a learning difference by making them more awake, tolerant, and understanding of each other. So this is my goals and ways to make schools inclusive. First is a curriculum for all. Children have different learning speeds. They need curricula that are flexible, creative, and relevant. That is why make your curriculums more accessible to all learners to enhance their learning styles and abilities. Second, complete inclusive equipment. Because some school equipments may favor some students over the others. Equipments should be shared so that everybody can benefit. Third, teacher matters. They must be given the tools and training to achieve our vision and mission for reform. Fourth, making facilities accessible to all learners. Inclusive classroom facilities are designed to access to all learners. Like doors are wide open. There is a ramp for disabled students, and there is a comfort room for PWDs or person with disabilities. Fifth, practice inclusive cultures where students help each other, where students and staffs treat one another with respect, and there is a partnership between staffs and parents, and you should practice mutual respect, effective relationship, and value the people around us. 6. Implementing schools' inclusive policies. Implementing policies can make students feel safer, especially those children who experience barriers to their learnings, including the learning environment they experience in school. Example of inclusive policies are anti-bullying policies, discrimination policies, gender-neutral policies, and equitable enrollment policies. And the last but not the least, number 7. Children with special needs matters. Students with disabilities should have the opportunities to learn in the same environment together with the non-disabled students. There should be equal access because some students with disabilities can be fully integrated into traditional classrooms. Once again, this is Dianshel Duran saying, inclusion in education requires a change in mindset in society, so that education for all means education for everyone without exception. A Achieving this is everybody's business, including yours.